In this video, we'll see how to make a moving average apply across time frames, but keep its own time frame intact. What do I mean by this? Let me show you. So let's add a moving average. Let's go simple moving average. So this is the SMA 9 and we are in the, let's go to the daily time frame. Okay. If I go to the 4-hour and the 1 hour, this moving average becomes the 9 hourly. Or the 9 4-hourly. That's not what we want here. We want to see this actual daily moving average, but have the same numbers apply in lower time frames. How do we do this? Very easy. We scroll up to the settings of this SMA, inputs, and we go to calculation. You see here it says time frame. If we leave chart on, then every time frame that changes, the moving average will use that time frame. However, that's not what we want. We scroll down to daily. We press OK. Now, immediately, this becomes the 1 day 9 moving average. So if we move time frames, then the moving average stays consistent. We are in the 1 hour time frame, but this is the 1 day 9 period simple moving average. Have a great day, guys.